right, and I as someone me know channel tiawa so tiawa so tiawa ntipacho you assume na 18 ye e bia on miss point bia on sheda enhu de me pese me kire no, but it is something, you know, very 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 important. Me pese me no mienu na ye che na ye de kan abrabo no, because eye ade bia ye tai eye from so e wo ho ye di for ho pa me ka ho bi e na wo a wutie no so no ka ho bi, but ene me pese ye na ye bie ye ni wo sa kwan no so said the bear going forward no, you be take life easy. So at say na ye man ye ma bi e man pressure bi na e for how am rain in this life. Now, it's a very short story that I want to share with you. A group of highly established, you know, young men, now call one particular school. Now, it decided say one day, be pay visit to old university professor. Ampa arrangement no ko ye mo ko professor no e woni fie. She prof ni hu no mo ani age because they were good to do. Now obia born home modern kama e wo na dwuma mu a ne ba bia o ye bia obia shine ho kama ne ade a. Tin common na no. Though they were doing well, but now waiting problem aba. Charlie, this thing I won't do, actually, you know, the country, if you want to do this, then this. Oh, now it's already there, but Charlie, like I won't do, but my family people, this. Oh, me, my wife, then. I feel it. And commodity now could done complaints. No way, can we do. Oh, okay, now to me say, I feel the complaints now doesn't do. Today, professor near and say, oh, sorry, and I'll call in the kitchen. Or buy, no. Not just say, and yet, bonsu akese pa ye coffee umuno. Why ye coffee come a pound to say yes. Just so you will be on per coffee to say a 2 emu ye pa. And what the best seat table no so our ranting anymore. And our sign bora kitchen on a coffee. Caps, I ye de coffee no ebegum. Now offer so to be bree. Cap ni bi why the gold na ye. Ebi why the silver na ye. Ebi also a plain, ebi a glass, which any shape no near dear na. Now, a be so no silver, de be a show and boy be near there. And a be so no plastic cups, be and a be no ordinary cup. Be to say, who shape no grand to be a said, team pony. A be or cup no more, you can see it. A be also, you can't see the content. Our cup no. And a prof Edni Nabisio. Na caps no dorsum, a chain boys no on the door. Into other caps, they see you on our pen or catch them so coffee ni. Castles no way, you know. I mean, they should feel at home now. Ubia na on sorting her out. Ain't you boys no? We fuck up we are. Now we shake off nibi. Now we have a cab back. Now we shake coffee. No we have fat. No we shake. No we have fat. Omuna fabi. And they started. Some would take coffee no. To among nomenica crack. And one a professor no. Start here say. On you boys ne say kasa. Was my boy, my best ramen, a bon community and Genija. But it got to a point I realized that you guys were complaining. But you know what? More complain now, more complaining now. And when we shut down Yasa, now boy back, well, no, proper, no, there's no way. Hold on. Cecilia, what are you drinking? Or say coffee? No, Abisa way, what are you drinking? Or also say coffee. Obiso be a they were drinking coffee. And also look. Me de coffee no be see ha na me coffee caps be kan no my instructor mo say we fuck up we na we fuck up we mi jama mo but see caps na akasi table isu a obi anfa no e caps a which means e inexpensive e no e ho hye dan hia ba hwe cap ekura we wo hwehwe mu na oyi gold cap no and now so unzo nua afa gold na so ye fast na afa the next one e gold no and now unzo unzo gold na sa na wo fast silver cap no. Shesa glass de you said the FA, unso who say we now so fine. Timuna mo choose obia pe the best one. Now wafa ne coffee ogumuanom. Sa pepepe na ewiase no etie. Obra na amobɔ no. Mu nyina mo bɔ obra, abrabɔ no eno any coffee no. And that's the most important. See amo glass ne kita mo na mo caps no. It doesn't add anything to the coffee you are drinking. Yet, Obia strive say, Obenya the best cup afa and on the coffee no egumuanom. And no any problem in this life. So we end up paying more attention to the any important, no? Then we leave life nankasa na say or branankasa ye bono, which happens to be the coffee, no? Na no de ya drink e de free no so. So the caps here could represent the kind of job you want in this life. Car person driving, if you are person the kind of woman you want to call your wife, you want for a wife, any day. Sanya mani no. Na ya ma ba be burden on us. And then we leave the coffee aside, which is supposed to be the most important. Into your twice so kase hwe. Raba cup yes njenye. Into hwe coffee ni bi gum e na onom ya. Anka enye yi. Enye the same coffee na wa consume no. But yet Ubia ejenuesio and Ubia fighting for this. It is nice for you to get all the nicest things in this life. It is good for you to have the most beautiful house, drive the most your friends say beautiful car, you know, the topmost one. But at the end of the day, if you have all these things and life itself, no, you don't have it. Tell me na ohoya na se obaye. Ti professor ni eni se wie no. Na mo frɛ no enyina amrante no omo asisi omu triase. Esan se no mo hu se complain omo complain bebrebe ni na no. Emfaso bia eni so. Sometimes we fail to enjoy the coffee by concentrating only on the cup. You cry ensem. Enti wo hwe onyonko cup na ekura no. Ebi a want me anya fast and fa the gold one no and a silver one no. Enti plastic na offer, but it is the same content na wo gold num bi na so afa wo num no. Instead of concentrating on the coffee na wo be enjoy no. Onum ni nyina na wadwen wo onyonko ne cup no so. And akwa cup with there, akwa cup with there. Meanwhile the person is not drinking the cup. The same coffee na wo rubber cup no enu nipa no so enjoy. Being happy doesn't mean everything around you is perfect. It means that you've decided to see beyond the imperfections and find peace. And the peace lies within you, not in your career, not in your cup, not in that car you want to buy, not in that house, that mansion. In this case, representing the cup, but the coffee. Yen na enfa same way into your home. Na yin take life easy. Say the be ya yan kofa unnecessary pressures be metoto yen so. Ochina na de sesenka o enjoy was asisi no. Wentimi ya enjoy na we jato na okọ. Nyame hu yen mobo. Yen first so asedama ye proud sponsors omo boy MET is asem yi. Eno Cow Bank. And they order Cow Bank agent banking abba. Boko. We hia se afi na be fi baby awo won potem wa drive wa be do krum. I call main banking hall before you transact business with Cow Bank. You can do it right in your neighborhood. It could be a provision shop. But once you at the Cow Bank agent banking as chance to be aboni mo pa also afa. You can even open a Cow Bank Snap account. One make a deposit, one fee, one withdraw cash, one transfer funds, what your bills. We be beer on more now on our scene. So just look around in your neighborhood. You could find one. And yes, our your website www.cowbank.net and our contact here via email customercare@cowbank.net. Sounds not a bit me afraid to free 0800 500. Cow Bank agent banking, your neighborhood bank. I feel MTN. Or see raise you level Joe. Phone back here, sir. And no nya call cranadi tete. Obi send you picture crash house. That's a gay anymore here for some patrol. Only pan off your phone anymore. System. And no baby nya mobile phone monse drain. iPro 5S phones. MTN Air Mako over 20,000. Now when you may lucky draw ni one be a debi. Koswane kasa, koswane test MTN phone so keke. Ugu so awoye na no. Utie yapa na udem unswenya bako. This year there, raise you level no kakra. Why? Just dial *120*1# to register. Na ko enim. We are good together. That is why we there for you everywhere you go. I feel police in no. In boost herbal mixture. A dra winya binumwa. Na asha ya jumani na. Na mwesi si so kama. Udu adabia no complaining. Ade chia ne ha. Ade be chia change ko ha. Dabia on hye dan hu ade a ha no. Oh, on yare so on tiapo. Eniema bi du nya so nya hu ye. Nom in boost herbal mixture. Police ne do no. Obi on so ayare bia ya etwafa ha kakra bi na ne bi anya no. Immune system ni weak. Shenema. Man ho nya den na ono ankasa nkoma wo. Onom in boost herbal mixture. O yo ho aduru. Police ne aduru no. Ejina na so pampe. Pebi achi akwan. Oni abusuen na we entwen yare ansa. O yare nso na onom hospital aduru kura utimi san no we de ka ho. Isan say eyaduru nso enyaduru nso eyaduru. King's Walk or Kanchi Drug Lane, Ekus Pharmacy, Afe Widama Pharmacy, Sanso and a Tribe of Judah Pharmacy. Tenatet health shops are holding in and a dependable herbal for so shops Nina Mukwa Benyabi and a health alert shop, Yewo St. John's. Patron phrase 0243 115 948 and a 0246 208 496. Dodo bi ohia bi anjo on sabeka. E patron no na agba pan simadunum. So check it time na che say Paul and Silas time. Openi kwa me edu atena se. Yan fa kasamu ne ma no. Na omoye nkomo. Paul and Silas obra kwantu yi. Ene hefa eno mo tukwan na eduru.